That orange light on your dashboard is staring at you again. Before you drop $100 at the shop just to have someone plug in a scanner, let's talk about what you can actually do yourself. First thing, that light came on for a reason. Your car's computer detected something off. Could be serious, could be nothing. The light itself doesn't tell you which one it is, so step 1 is figuring out what triggered it. Method 1, the OBD2 scanner route. You need to know the actual error code. Run to any auto parts store. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance Auto. They'll scan it for free. Takes 2 minutes. They plug a scanner into that port under your steering wheel and pull up the code. Write down whatever codes pop up. Something like P0420 or P0171. Google that exact code plus your car's make and model. You'll find forums, videos, everything. This tells you if it's urgent or if you can deal with it later. Now here's the thing about clearing codes with a scanner. Most basic ones have a button that says erase codes or clear DTCs. Press it, codes disappear, light goes off, done. But, and this matters, if you didn't fix the actual problem, that light's coming back on. Could be in 5 miles, could be 50. The computer runs what's called a drive cycle, where it checks different systems. Hit the conditions that triggered the code again, boom, light's back. Method 2, battery disconnect. Don't have a scanner? Pull the negative battery cable. That's the black one with the minus sign. You need a wrench, usually 10 millimeters, but sometimes 8 millimeters or 13 millimeters depending on your car. Loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Wiggle the cable off. Don't let it touch the battery post while you're doing this. Leave it disconnected for 15 minutes. Some people say 5 is enough, but 15 makes sure the computer fully resets. While it's off, turn your key to the on position without starting the car. This drains any leftover power in the system. Leave it there for about 30 seconds, then turn it back off. Reconnect the cable, tighten it down good, start your car. Light should be off. Here's what they don't tell you. Your radio presets are gone. Your clock needs resetting. If you've got a newer car with fancy settings, some of those might reset too. Your computer also forgets how you drive, so the car might feel slightly weird for the first 50 miles or so while it relearns your patterns. Same deal as the scanner method though. Didn't fix the problem? Light returns. Method 3. Drive it out. Sometimes the computer just needs to see that whatever was wrong isn't wrong anymore. Say your gas cap was loose, a super common reason for the light. You tighten it properly, but the light stays on because the code's still stored. Drive the car through what's called a complete drive cycle. This means highway driving, city driving, idling, different speeds. You need to hit all the conditions the computer tests for. Usually takes about 50 to 100 miles of mixed driving. The computer runs its checks during this time. If everything passes, it clears the code on its own and the light goes off. This is the slowest method, but it's free and requires 0 tools. What you should actually fix first. Before you reset anything, check the stupid simple stuff. I'm serious. Gas cap loose or damage causes the light in tons of cars. Twist it until it clicks 3 times. If it's cracked or the seal looks bad, buy a new one for 10 bucks. Oil level low? Top it off. Air filter clogged to hell? Replace it. Loose battery connection? Tighten it. These take 5 minutes and cost basically nothing. If your code reader or the parts store told you it's something like an oxygen sensor, catalytic converter, or mass airflow sensor, you've got decisions to make. Some of these you can swap yourself if you're handy. Others need a shop, when you shouldn't reset it. If the light's flashing instead of solid, don't mess around. Flashing means severe misfire. You're damaging your catalytic converter right now. Pull over, shut it off, get it towed. If you're getting codes related to brakes, airbags, or transmission, leave it alone. These are safety systems. Pay for the diagnosis. Got a smog check coming up? Resetting the light won't help you pass. The testing computer sees that your monitors aren't ready yet. That's the drive cycle thing. They'll know you just cleared it and make you come back later after you've driven enough miles. Resetting the light isn't fixing your car, it's clearing a notification. If your phone kept telling you the battery was dying and you just turned off notifications instead of charging it, you'd have a dead phone pretty quick. Same logic here. The computer's trying to tell you something needs attention. You can clear the message, but if the sensor detected a real problem, you're just ignoring it until it gets worse. That said, sometimes sensors throw false codes. Sometimes a one-time glitch triggers something. If you clear it and it doesn't come back after a couple hundred miles, you're probably fine. Got a scanner or can borrow one? Use it to read the code first, then clear it. Takes 5 minutes total. No scanner, battery disconnect works. Negative cable off, wait 15 minutes, reconnect. Your settings reset, but the light's gone. No tools at all? Drive it through a full cycle, highway and city about 100 miles. Computer might clear it on its own if the problem's actually fixed. Whatever method you pick, write down or remember what code you had. When it comes back, and it might, you'll know if it's the same issue or something new. The check engine light isn't your enemy, it's just your car trying to communicate. Listen to what it's saying before you tell it to shut up.